Chana dal 1 cup. Mash dal 1 cup. Moong dal 1 cup. Masoor dal 1 cup. Rice 1 cup. Half cup wheat groats. Add some water and wait for 2 hours. Add half cup Macedonian. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Half teaspoon haldi. Add 1.5 liter water. 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Cook on the medium-low flame. One cup oil. Add to sliced onions. Cook till it turns golden. Add 1.5 kilo boneless beef. Cook till it turns Shangjit's color. Add 1 teaspoon salt or as required. Add whole green chilies. One teaspoon red chili powder. A quarter teaspoon haldi. Add 1 packet shinhala masala. Add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook well for 10 minutes. Add 1 cup yogurt. Add 1.5 glass of water. Cook for 30 to 40 minutes on medium to low flame. Add shredded beef in dal mixture. Blend it. One and a half cup oil for preparing tarka. 6 to 8 whole chili flakes. One tablespoon cumin seeds. Some julienne cut ginger. Chopped green chilies. Sprinkle fresh green coriander. Julienne cut ginger. Chopped green chilies. Add tarka.